Welcome to our video on how to add individual vendors in Docyt. In the top navigation menu, select Expense Management and then click on My Vendors in the Vendors section. In the My Vendors section, click the blue Add/Import Vendors button on the upper right. Select Add New Vendor. To add a new vendors, click on Create a New Vendor button. Add your vendor's details such as vendor's name, payment information, address, and contact information. Track vendors for 1099 generation by checking the Track Vendor for 1099 generation box during the vendor creation process. Once done, click on the Save Payee button. And there you have it, you've added the vendor profile successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.